Here I've got GIGASET GX290, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can hear currently, it is not activated, it's totally muted. But if you'd like to activate touch sounds, just open list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and select sound, and now go to the advanced options. Scroll down a bit, here you'll notice touch sounds, so smoothly mark it, and once the indicator is active, you will be able to hear each of my tap. And that's it, that's how you can activate touch sounds. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, smoothly by tapping on the switcher. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.